Ipo amasai patian hena lok thu soi ka chuan kan sport minister hatianga hun tha mit pathei hi a hlu hle me a kum danga te chuan sport thang thanga sabni so panga vel tang kan han i MSSC hall kimi khatla kin kan ti mai rina tula chuan tin ama omna ngai ti kan ding thu soi theina hun tha kan nei te hi alomom chuan Mizoram Armed Wrestling Koi tu le Henry Press Bill and Madam Pretty and Sir Parvin, thank you so much. Chuan soi le kan du chuan ma tu nang la ya he Facebook le IG le WhatsApp Facebook thang sport minister tem na sa ma ya kung ai takin he lo ri ula kan du chu kan sport minister he incentive amma kan nei to lo incentive kha kan nei to lo ta ni incentive kha ma kan player tha kan tual man ta ka chuan kan khun song kan senga he game he kan sacrifice ta he tinan kan soi le lok nga englawa khan thi idiot khan Sachin Tendulkar kha englawa lo football lo ro de se ani thei don mi ti ang khan ni mai nang po natinge boxing khel ro football khel ro mi ta I thei tho bang chu min ta ni natinge football kan dui thei ne football kan song kan pe thei ne am ra singa kan song kan pe tiang khan ni chu min hriat pui ve se ka dun sen chu ne akan sport minister pon ta ka chuan engma ama khan I hriat nu buma la om big lo engma ama kha sport minister tu ring chu ni ya in hriat ti ra ban lo ta ne ama khan a khelo ta chu wa ngan chu wa chuan ama hin engki ma min pui zo ka min hre thiam em zo ka bang chuan lo chirhtheh lo bula lo hre thiam ro ama kha kan ta na thber tur ngai to ni ti kha lo hria ula ka duwa chuan Mizoram Armed Wrestling te pho engki ma min puya kun tha ti hian Asian Cup khel hi a harani ni taka chuan Mizoram Armed Wrestling hian min pui lo ta se kan khel thei lo sport minister pon min puya puse he kan sar te pon base te pon min puya madam te pon min puya an vai min pui an za vai chunga hin lo tu ka chei chung khoi takin indem na thu ka chu cha so ta lo tu na kan sport minister se PM hi tu na hin base arin ka kan ni hi ian ko I ba ve patang ti thi ka sei du ne ka ro hai
long tu sei lu so an arm wrestling association roi tu te wa ani ti min thei il sak lo la kan tho rim na te lai ti zo ape tham lu to ka se kan roi tu ten te nga phong min ko mu thei hi an chu a hian long tu ka sei du so alen ami man ta ken tu na ani ne sare aron sai incentive kha ki chu players so ke miron pena sa min piap tam thla chuan in ti nge kan ti don abain poisa pu chopin pen khel ve a Mizoram he apai Mizoram an represent when in so midang poisa pu chop den khami kha mi mal tarin lok thu ka sai du nuk tei ul te wale ta mena lo the tiau la players no pang so te ekla kanan pui sak thei lok thu ka sai
Chairman, hello there. Apa saya ni try to begin to lo saya chuan kan Mizoram Wrestling Association te adinga anmani kai foina azara tu hung sing thai kan ni ya Facebook ate le WhatsApp ate ko opi le silver in the vetu working in something na kare ti ni ya office yang tu kan te lumpung min lom pui lo ani lo na chu pakhat na ani ya kan lom puya opi nen to o fui na pakhat na kan nei lo opi ne na aya kan din mun ya ti teang win kolan ko to lo sila kan jinga metal lo ma ke ni aya to dan thun na jinga to man kan shethiam pui lo ni zana te kan kia lâu để rất là một chị nói là lâu không lâu anh chị không tu rồi không giống tiền anh cái này tu cái anh sống thì anh thì chung rồi giống cái dục sinh chung anh riêng là cái sống chung cái gì á anh đi hiện công này khi mà những cái suy cho em mà cần room thế cần hotel xem nó thế nào đâu á that ain't that anymore. Get the boy and so up again. Chin again on two telling to say, can Mizo come is out with the Yanin a shan pataking in Sua long two and so it took Pakatna, let I wrote to a and long puya. Panina la turpoyan, Arsa, Pakatna la turpation, Atlas and Zia. A mentioned him, we sing Karimlawa. Susan Cinema says a white one.
Hey, when I can until the Antam my point to Kanaya, Nizana Makan, Kanina, Pro Punjab League. We to te in Naya People's Arm Wrestling Federation of India, can President, the Mizoram Arm Wrestling Association, who to Senate, can say over to the country of Natunia. I think it would be injustice if we don't have the President and Secretary of Mizoram Arm Wrestling Association with us. Because Secretary there, President clothing very good company. Tonight here in Kampuan Turahi, Amikalizana Kampuana. December Sanghi Somnile Palihian Mizoram International Arm Wrestling Event Lian Mega Mizoram match.
Yes.
Pro Punjab Mega Mizoram match Donti tonight here Long Taking Kampuang. Denic Lalruattluanga po hi atil dona at el puitur hi ani main event ani dona amapon lo tonight here Kampuang siya. El puitur hi international arm wrestler. Ani hian an childhood dona tin Denic at chok ni lowing ka takhan international arm wrestler ten on kalanga Indian arm wrestler thaten lo kalanga kan han roman thuak dana chuan lammuala zanlama kan ti donem niang kan tia December choknulam hi kan rilruat chuan a oma Urwai Trezo Christmas le kum tharing kan ni som ni pariat te han so we talk about 28 December it's not yet finalized.
Yeah, second.
So ani taka khat an la soi thei lo wa eng tika nge December thachon nulama tirual chon kan rilruwa ai zol pon lama miten lo sin the hun lai te kha alo lang bok sia Christmas ma de bo ru rem chang zan eng tika mo hen kan ti donem niang kan tia kan ti tu ra hichu kan puang ngam ta a so over to you to explain about the event.
I didn't understand one word you said, but no, I'm just kidding. I know, sir.
Whatever we discussed.
Absolutely, I'm just kidding. So first of all, thank you again, sir, for your confidence in the sport, in the association, in the federation, in Pro Punjab League, in announcing the Pro Punjab event in Mizoram, and it's with great pride that we announce along with that you announce that we will be coming. Pro Punjab will be having an international event in Aswal, Mizoram in the second half of December. We will be announcing the date very soon. It will be headlined by Denic along with an international arm wrestler, and the rest of the matches also will be Mizo arm wrestlers versus the rest of India players. So that's why it is going to be a Mizoram mega match, Pro Punjab mega match. It is going to be very, very exciting, and I think it is really going to be one of the best and biggest sporting events that Mizoram will see. And again, I want to thank sir for the opportunity of doing this here. We are very grateful, and we will give it our all to make sure it is a very big success, along with the association, which has been doing wonderful work. Let me congratulate them again. They have been doing a lot of work on the ground, putting together resources from here or there to send athletes. It's not easy, especially as sir said, when the sport is not yet recognized or an Olympic sport, but they have been managing and doing a great job. And I know from here on, as you announced, they'll be getting some incentives and everything, so thank you for the support. Again, Pro Punjab mega matches Mizoram, Pro Punjab Mizoram mega matches second half December in Aswal. It is going to be a very big event. I think it's going to be a totally sold out event, because thanks to Denic now winning the gold and becoming a big superstar here. I told him just one thing yesterday: don't let this get to your head, because the goal is to be #1 in the world. We want Denic to be number one in the world. That is the goal, and therefore he already won the gold in the nationals. He is one of the best players, not just in his class. Let me just say, not just in his weight category, but he can defeat many players across weight categories heavier than him. So now we will start finding international competition for him, like he beat the Kazakhstan boy in Asian Arm Wrestling Cup. We will start matching him up with international matches because we want to see him grow into the world number one. Thank you, everybody, and thank you, sir.
So before we conclude, I just want to explain to everybody that as president of PAFI, People's Arm Wrestling Federation India, I want to everyone here in Mizoram to understand that one local boy from Mizoram in Mumbai had created a furore. The entire he made the entire audience in the hall chant Bharat Mata Ki Jai. So it is I think a huge achievement for Mizoram, and I think he deserves all the praise that's coming his way. Benjamin Vanrangaki, wish you many congratulations and many more medals coming your way. PAFI is very proud to have the Mizoram Arm Wrestling Association as a part of us, and we're sure it's going to be a lot more success from here. And as we announce this mega match together, I'm sure it's going to be a huge event.
Thank you. And I promise we will learn some Mizo language before we come next time. So we understand. So thank you.
Okay, thank you.